Ambassador wa Nigeria mu Uganda Ishmael Alatise ebyabugambo by'abanabugana habashubuzi hamwe n'abakama b'amakoro ahali Lake View Hotel mu Rembo Mbarara omurutaya y'urwe urwo gwetorori hanga arukubugana abashubuzi.
We are making efforts at the level of government, the Nigerian government and Ugandan government, to see how we can increase the volume of trade between our two peoples.
Ogunagira ngo Uganda n'ebintu byinje byakubasa kutwara okushubura muri Nigeria nkamate omwani ebitoche hamwe na nebindi binji.
We want to even match companies. What are you doing? What can we do together? So they will sit together. They are in the business world. We are, as government, we are only facilitating for them. So we share information. Whatever information they need to make things happen, we will be there every time to share such information.
Nashobora n'ubwihanga rya Nigeria rero kuteganisibwa bahecera ba Boko Haram ngo bitharuho kutesegana hagati yabo na government omukureta ho businje.
And the government is battling with it, and we have achieved a lot of success. But that notwithstanding, over the years, when people have been talking about this insecurity in Nigeria, people that know what they are doing, they go to Nigeria every blessed day, they do their business, they don't have any problem.
Bamwe mu bashubuzi abavugana ambassador nabagira ngo ikintu kije kubahwera okutunga katarike ibintu byabo hamwe no kubyonjera mu mutindo.
Obu twakoresa umuhando gurugwe ka ambassador kuyanangamba tukarabira mu office yabo Uganda Chambers of Commerce ikatuhema kono tuzaganyurwa
ebintu byinje twakubasa kutwara Nigeria konka echo kuchira munonga tushemerire kubiteka a international standards.
Ambassador Alatise hatari omukwetorore byanga byona byihanga okureba ko abanya-Uganda batandika kushubura muri Nigeria. Ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa.